Hello, my name is Elizabeth Mana, and I'm going to talk to you about the Coral Reef Island, an earthquake-proof building for IT, because problems can be solved with sustainable ideas. Haiti is a Caribbean country. It occupies the western smaller portion of the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antillean Archipelago, which it shares with the Dominican Republic. Haiti is the poorest country in America according to the Human Development Index. It has experienced political violence throughout its history. Haiti has several problems. Besides the poverty, the bad organization fall of the government, in 2010, a 7 magnitude earthquake struck the country and devastated Port-au-Prince. The exact number of deaths is difficult to determine. The presidential palace, parliament, and many other important structures were destroyed, along with countless homes and business, leaving many homeless. The solution? If we think in all of these problems, it seems difficult to see a recomposed IT. We speak of a poor country without productive land, with no resources, no money. Perhaps a project that will give home to all the victims, a place that could provide them with resources such as clean water, energy, food. Maybe that is a solution. Vince Calibert, a Belgian architect, came up with an idea that he called the coral reef, and it's basically a big refuge to the people that lost their home. And because of the low capacity of the country to afford this project and its maintenance, it is thought as a sustainable project that could produce the energy that he needs, and other resources as food and water. This utopian eco-ville could house up to 1,000 refugee families, and it will be built upon earthquake-resistant piers off the coast, out of prefabricated modular units. The houses will be energy positive, carbon neutral, and powered by a number of renewable energy sources like thermal energy conversion. That is, energy generated from the temperature difference of warm and cold ocean currents or winds. Marine energy, vertical wind turbines, and solar panels. The roof of each model will double as the garden for their respective inhabitants. The area between the two models' tower will house a tropical ecosystem for the local fauna and flora. Aquaculture farms and water recycling facilities will filter the water before sending it to the sea. The visible sinuosity of this building landscape is structured by A-spine columns integrating all the vertical circulation, linked together by two horizontal stories, crossing through a straight line the whole village from end to end. The whole set forms a compact orthogonal system that distributes all the flows through each module. The project integrates all the bioclimatic systems as well as the renewable energy. Actually, the sea thermal energy conversion is made in the coverage of the pier by using the difference of temperature between superficial waters and the deep waters. The kinetic energy from marine currents is converted by hydro turbines under the pier into electrical energy. The sinusoidal pergolas on the roof attract the solar energy by photovoltaic panels, and a park of spiral wind turbines is planted in the great tropical garden that covers the logistical basis. Between the two inhabited waves is created a sumptuous interior canyon. in pixel with terraces and cascades of food gardens. Each roof of each model becomes an organic suspended garden, enabling to each family to cultivate its own food and to use themselves their own wastage as compost. This basic model is simply made of two passive houses with metallic structure and tropical wood facades, interlocked in duplex around a transversal horizontal circulation linking every unit. Taking advantages of the same natural and climatic conditions from the beginning as its neighbor island Dominican Republic, Haiti is one of the countries that has the possibilities to reinvent itself a new sustainable urbanity. The Coral Reef Prototype project is in this context of humanitarian crisis a positive and dynamic answer fighting for the sustainable industrialized and standardized rebuilding of collective social housing of humanitarian and environmentally high quality in disasters.